Hello, it's Susan here from Hime Cosplay, and welcome back to the 20 Years of Anime project, in which we count down to the year 2020 using costumes. Today we're going to be going back to 2012 and making the accessories for Morgiana from Magi, Labyrinth of Magic. To make Morgiana's bracelets, I'm going to be upgrading the bracelets that I had made for my original Morgiana costume quite a long time ago. So for these I had purchased some base cuff bracelets. I think they were from Forever 21, and I liked how embellished they are, and then I had just cut the design out of some silver fabric and glued it to the cuff and drew on the gem in the middle. And so I just ripped that off and used that as a pattern, and then cut the new Phoenix designs out of some craft foam and painted them with a layer of Mod Podge to seal them. Then I painted the craft foam pieces with some silver acrylic paint. Then I hot glued the Phoenix design to the bracelet and also glued on a red gem. To finish off the cuff, I then took some black paint to give the emblem a little bit more definition and to weather it so it matched the base cuff a little bit more. Then for the chains that go with her bracelets, I just cut a long chain and added some jump rings and a lobster claw clasp so that it can be opened up in case I want it to be a little bit tighter around the wrist. And with that, Morgiana's bracelets are done! To make Morgiana's leg bands, we're going to start by taking some thinner elastic and sew it into a loop to go just under the knee. We're going to do that for both legs. And then we're going to take some wider elastic and make some loops to go around the ankles. Then I tried on the loops, so this one around the ankle and this one around the top of the leg, and cut 4 strips of elastic per leg and attached them on either side of the top, and then crisscrossed them very carefully as I was wearing it, being extra careful to not pin myself while I was doing this, and then they finish off on either side of the bottom ankle strap. And with that, Morgiana's accessories are done. For more cosplay tutorial videos, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.